class. Today we are going to start the new unit from organic chemistry paper of semester 3rd, that is aldehydes and ketones. So before going into details, we will discuss some basics related to aldehydes and ketones. These are the organic compounds containing carbonyl group, are known as the carbonyl compounds. Now the structure of carbonyl compound we will discuss later on in more details, but at this stage you keep in your mind carbonyl group is that functional group in which the carbon is doubly bonded to the oxygen. Now these carbonyl compounds are of two types, namely aldehydes and ketones. Now the organic compounds containing ketonic group, that is the C double bond O, is known as aldehyde. Now you have to keep in your mind here is a printed mistake. Actually this CHO group is the aldehyde group, whereas this C double bond O is the ketone group. But while printing, these groups are mismatched here. So this is aldehyde group CHO and C double bond O is a ketone. Now aldehydes have a general formula RCHO and ketones are R-C double bond O. So we can easily distinguish aldehydes and ketones. So in aldehyde, the carbonyl group is attached to at least one hydrogen atom and an alkyl or aryl group. So alkyl group may be methyl, ethyl or any other group. In ketones, the carbonyl group is attached to two alkyl. Now they may be similar or different. If the both alkyl groups are same in the ketone, then this type of ketones are called simple or symmetrical ketones. And if the two alkyl groups are different, then this type of ketone is called as mixed or unsymmetrical ketone. So you have to remember the ketones are of two types depending upon whether the both alkyl groups are same or different. If the both alkyl groups are same, the ketones are called simple or symmetrical ketone, and if these both alkyl groups are different, then they are called the mixed or unsymmetrical ketone. So here are some examples. This is the carbonyl group, which is a common group for both these types of organic carbonyl compounds, that is the aldehydes and ketones. So here are some examples of the aldehydes. So this first example is the formaldehyde, in which there is both hydrogen atoms. So the criteria for aldehyde is at least one hydrogen should be there. So in formaldehyde, this is the unique aldehyde in which there are two hydrogen atoms. Now this is the general representation of the aldehydes, and here schematically the simple ketones and mixed ketones are shown. Since here both the alkyl groups are same, this is called as the simple ketone. Whereas there is the two alkyl groups which are different, which are shown here by the R and R prime or R dash. That's why this is the mixed ketone. Now in this representation, R is the alkyl group, and you are familiar with its general formula CnH2n+1, where N is the number of carbon atoms. Aldehydes may be considered as the derivative of alkanes in which two hydrogen atoms of terminal carbon atoms have been replaced by an oxygen atom.